Good morning from the woods of Arkansas. This morning, I thought I'd do something a little different. This morning, I'd like you to meet Daniel. Here's Daniel. Daniel, look, buddy. Hey, how you doing? Huh? You can see Daniel has a problem with one of his legs. And my daughter got him at a shelter. And you can see he's out here today. Got him at a shelter, and nobody else really wanted him because of that leg, but we're more than happy to take him in. And you can see he's exploring this morning. Oh, he's going to check the lawnmower out. Okay. All right. That lawnmower. Oh, what's in there? What's in there? Well, no. Oh, now he's looking. Okay. Good morning, Daniel. Yeah. What are you looking for? What are you looking for this morning? You looking for... Okay. What are you looking for? You going to go check out the tomatoes? Okay. Let's see what you're going to do. Where are you going to go, Daniel? Huh? Where are you heading? Let's see. Let's follow Daniel. You just never know what a cat's going to do. Daniel's only been here a month or so, and you can see we have a little collar on him. It's got his name on it. And oh, he's going to go. Oh, thought he might go in the doghouse, but no, he's not going in the doghouse. Here he goes. Take it nice and easy. You can see that back right leg just has a little bit of a problem, but he gets around really, really well. He can run just as fat as our other cat, Cubby. Okay, Daniel, are you going to do something exciting for the folks? Huh? Are you going to do something exciting for the folks? Or are you just going to hide under this table? Huh? This table that has the basil and the strawberry pot right next to it. Come on, Daniel, do something interesting. Oh, is the leg of that table very interesting, huh? Huh? Good boy. Yeah, good boy. You're a good boy. Okay, I'm gonna pause this until maybe he does something interesting. Because of his injured leg, we really don't know what happened to him, but because of that, the people at the shelter called him Lieutenant Dan. Yeah, you were Lieutenant Dan, weren't you? But we mostly call him Daniel here. Well, it doesn't appear that Daniel is going to do anything real interesting except get his back scratched by the lawn. So I'm going to go ahead and close this up for today. I hope y'all have a wonderful day. You know, Daniel and I think we're going to have a pretty good day today. Yeah, we're going to have a pretty good day, huh, Daniel? Good boy. Okay, well, that's it from the woods here in Arkansas. And you can see my bamboo poles. You can see that my tomato plants are still doing well. And I'm going to go ahead and pick this one right now and take that in the house and eat it. And I'm just so thankful to the Lord for such a nice looking garden this year. I hope your garden's going well. I hope your garden's growing well. Can you hear that woodpecker? Yeah, he's up in a tree doing his thing, trying to catch some bugs. All right, well, take care, and I hope to see you on the next one.